Right, let's get straight to it. Freelancing. Sounds fancy, but it's just you, your skills, and a laptop. In 2025, over 1.5 billion people freelancing worldwide. That's not a trend, it's a revolution. The internet has leveled the playing field. Whether you're in London or Manila, you can work for anyone, anywhere. Online marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork are the new global job boards. Need a logo? Need an article? There's a freelancer for that. You don't need a degree or a business plan, just show up and offer your skills. It's open to everyone. Parents, students, anyone tired of the 9 to 5. The digital hustle is real, and the door is wide open. All you need is a bit of guidance, and that's what we're here for. Forget the old rules. This is your ticket to the global economy. You're the boss, you set the hours, you choose the work. The only thing you need, the willingness to start. So, ready to see how it works? Let's dive in. Doubting yourself? Everyone does it first. Think you have no skills? If you can write an email, organize a list, or use social media, you're already ahead. Worried about where you live? The internet doesn't care about your postcode. No degree? No problem. Freelancing is about results, not resumes. Your portfolio is your proof. Build it with sample work, even if you have no clients yet. The old barriers are gone. You don't need permission to start. People from every country and background are succeeding online. The only thing holding you back is the belief that you can't do it. Thousands have started with nothing but a bit of doubt and a desire for more. You can too. Here's your 5-step guide to your first freelance paycheck. Step 1. Pick a skill. Writing, simple design, social media, voiceovers, translation. Start small. Step 2. Learn for free. YouTube is packed with tutorials. Spend a few evenings practicing. Step 3. Set up your profile on Fiverr or Upwork. Use a friendly photo and honest description. Step 4. Build your portfolio. Create sample work, even if it's for imaginary clients. Step 5. Start applying for jobs or post your service. Begin with low prices to get reviews. Your first goal isn't to get rich. It's to get that first order and review. That's the spark that gets your freelance engine running. No jargon, no gatekeepers, just action. Pick, learn, profile, portfolio, apply. That's it, you're a freelancer. The world is waiting for your skills. Don't overthink it, just start. Every expert was once a beginner. Your first dollar online is closer than you think. Take the leap. The process is simple and the opportunity is real. Ready to earn? Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mom with no degree and no experience. She discovered Canva, learned design basics on YouTube, and created a Fiverr profile. Her first samples were mock Instagram posts and a logo for a fictional business. She offered 10 social media graphics for $10. After a week, she got her first order, and a 5-star review. That review led to more orders. In her first month, she made $50. A year later, she's earning over $500 a month. No special background, no big investment, just a laptop and the willingness to learn. Sarah's story proves anyone can start from zero. The first step is the hardest, but it changes everything. What's stopping you? Freelancing isn't just for experts. It's for anyone ready to learn and take action. The world cares about what you can do now, not your past. Start small like Sarah did. Your first dollar online is proof you can do it. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, plus free learning on YouTube, make it possible for anyone. The global marketplace is open 24/7. Clients are waiting. Choose a skill, learn it, create a profile, make samples, and go for it. Don't let fear keep you parked in the garage. The road is open and you're in the driver's seat. So, what skill will you offer as a freelancer? Your journey starts now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digital Hustle Zone.